Here is how you make the 7-Up pound cake. Now I'm also making a sour cream pound cake, but I already have my flour sifted, my eggs out, and eggs and butter at room temperature, my flour sifted for both cakes, and I have a couple of bundt cake pans that I have greased. I just need to flour them. So I have my pans greased and floured, ready to go. So in my stand mixer, I'm going to put 3 sticks of butter. And 3 cups of granulated sugar. The recipe says to cream the butter and sugar until it's light and fluffy. So the recipe calls for 5 large eggs, and I'm going to start adding them one at a time. Now we need 3/4 cup of 7-Up. And 3 cups of flour. And we're going to alternate the flour and adding the flour and the 7-Up to the batter as we mix it. And because this cake is being made for somebody else, I don't like to share my food unless I taste it first, just to make sure it's good, right? So I'm going to make a teeny tiny version so that I can taste it. Okay, so now we need a teaspoon each of lemon extract and vanilla extract. So 1 teaspoon of pure lemon extract. And 1 teaspoon of my Watkins pure vanilla extract. I either use Watkins or my homemade vanilla extract. Now I'm going to mix that up, and it will be ready to put in the oven. which I've got preheating to 350 degrees. Alright, so into the pan it goes. I'm going to fix my little pan first. This makes a thick batter. Into the oven it goes. So start testing at about 45 minutes. And when a toothpick inserted comes out clean, then it will be done. Our cake is done. I've had it over here on a rack cooling. It looks beautiful. It got done in an hour and 5 minutes. I'm making a little glaze for it. So I've got 2 cups of powdered sugar in this bowl. And to that I'm going to add 4 tablespoons of milk. And 1 teaspoon of lemon extract. Now for this, I'm going to use homemade stuff. This is some lemon extract that my granddaughter made and gave me for Christmas. And it smells divine. So I'm using a teaspoon of that. And I'm going to stir this up. Okay, now I'm just going to drizzle it over the cake. And we have a beautiful cake. Thanks for stopping by.